Today I will talk about different Android apps used to control Eachine drones. I've seen some comments, people get confused about some of them, and I'll try to help clarify some doubts that people have. Unfortunately, here you can't see all the names. To be able to see them, we have to go to app info. If we go to Google Play Store and search by Eachine keyword in the Google Store, you will see these 4 Eachine applications. Some of them are old ones, some of them are newer, and some of them are specific for certain drones. These 4 applications can be installed on your Android, but not all of them will work because some Android versions do not support them. And there are a few things you need to know about certain apps when you launch your drones with them, and I'll talk about it now. So here you can see all of these apps installed on my phone, and let's go to one of them. The first one would be this one. Let's check what this app is. It's Eachine FPV. This app is one of the first apps that was introduced for the simplest drones that the Eachine manufacturer produced. So Eachine E58, for example, would be flying with this app. Then they produced new versions of this app, and I'll talk about that later, but let's see what happens with this app. Now my phone is connected to a drone which is called EX5, Eachine EX5. And I should say that some drones can transmit video to the apps when you turn them on, but it won't mean that they will work with these apps. That's why people get confused. They think that if they see a picture from the drone's video, it means that the app works, but it's not true. So let's check if this drone that I have, which is a more advanced drone, will be able to send image or connect to this app, which normally was made for Eachine E58. So let's push the play button and see if the drone transmits video to this app. So here we see that the app gets the image, and I'm trying to record the image now. And yes, we can see that the video was taken. And now I'm trying to take a picture. We can see that it took the picture. From what I've seen, I tested different apps with different drones. Eachine drones do transmit pictures and allow you to record video and take pictures from different apps. But it won't allow you to start the engines on the drone, to fly it, or to, for example, activate GPS functions like follow me function or get back home function. Let's go to this app, which is Eachine TEC. This is a more advanced app which was replacing the previous app that I've shown. It replaced Eachine FPV app. How do I know that? I installed a new video transmitter on one of my drones, and the drone would send a bad video signal to the old app. And then I tried this app and it worked. So sometimes if you get a bad signal, like a green screen or something, for your Eachine E58 drone, for example, or other drone that was supposed to work with Eachine FPV app, switch to Eachine TEC app. Let's see what it is like. So this is an interesting app which includes several models in one. And you can see that this button here, connect device button, is red. When you connect a drone, independently which drone you choose here, when it gets connected to the phone, the button should get activated. So now I'm connecting again my drone to the phone, and you can see that the button is now blue, it's activated, and it says go flying. Even if you switch the drone, it will tell you go flying. But if you choose the wrong drone, you will not be able to control the drone. For example, this happens with this model. We have for this model, as you can see here, E520 drone, and we have E520s Drone. The difference is that E520s Drone has GPS, and if you turn on the model without GPS feature, you will not see GPS functionality. And trying to take pictures and record videos here again. and you can see that we have the picture and we have the video here. Let's go back to initial page where you choose the model. So now let's choose another model, which now will include GPS features. Let's push the Go Flying button. Now you see more functions which are related to GPS. For example, this one, and you can take pictures, I guess, and record videos. You can also see that here it says you have low battery, although the battery was charged. So probably it's not working properly with this model, but it still allows you to see the video signal and take pictures and make videos. Let's again change the position of the stone to make sure that it's really a different picture. And let's check now. Yes, we get the picture, but we didn't get the video. So you see the video didn't work. So that's the thing with these apps. You may think, okay, the video signal is coming, why I can't control it? You can't control it because it's not the right model you've chosen from the very beginning. So be careful when you choose the model you want to fly with. Now let's go to the next app, which is Eachine GPS. That was one of the apps that was used for drones that were including GPS. Let's try to run it. And you see something wrong is happening here. It can't launch, and it means that this app doesn't work on this phone. And I investigated a little bit, and it turns out that this app is no longer supported by the latest Android versions, so it won't work. And then let's go to the last app, which is Eachine Pro app. When you launch it, you will see which models it actually supports, and you can see it's EX5 Pro or E530s, and my drone is EX5. It's not a Pro version, but this is the app that I'm using to control my drone. Now you will see that it will show us the video that's transmitted from the drone, and this is the app that I would use for my model. If I wouldn't know that I need to use this app, I could have opened other apps. I would think that, okay, I see the video, why this drone is not flying, why the controls are not working. So this is the reason. All video transmitters and Wi-Fi transmitters probably work with all of the apps, but when it comes to specific functions of each model, it won't work. So that's what was the main point of this video. Don't get confused by these apps. Make sure you choose the correct model and the correct app when you try to control your drone with phone apps.